Hey WordPress pals, Christian from RackNerd here, and today we are diving into something super handy for your WordPress site. It's the WP Core plugin. Stick around because we're going to make managing your plugins a breeze. But a quick heads up, make sure that you have a WordPress site up and running on a solid host. If you're looking for a solid host, check out RackNerd.com. We've got your back. Now let's jump into the guide and see how WP Core can make your WordPress life a whole lot easier. Before we get started, let's chat about why WP Core is cool for any WordPress user. WP Core isn't just a plugin. It's like a toolkit that lets you easily organize and upload groups of plugins to your site. So it's like having a neat little package of plugins ready to roll. And no need to be a WordPress genius, WP Core is built for everyone. It is simple and user-friendly no matter what your skill level is. The plugin comes with an easy-to-use dashboard where you can organize, edit, and manage your groups of plugins. Now let's get into the how-to part. But remember, you do need a WordPress site already set up. If not, check out our previous video or our guides on RackNerd TV's YouTube channel. We have several methods that you can choose from tailored for beginners. Now, let me share my screen here and let's get started with the tutorial. All right, so I'm on my screen now. First things first, we want to make sure that we are logged into our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New and search for WP Core, all one word. Once you find WP Core Plugin Manager, hit Install Now and then activate the plugin. Now access the WP Core from your WordPress dashboard. You will then be directed to the user-friendly interface where you can easily add or manage your plugin collections. It's like having a playlist of plugins for your site. But before we can do that, we need to first create our collection of plugins from the WP Core website. Just visit wpcore.com and create a free account. It should be pretty self-explanatory, but you can follow along with me on your screen on how I do it for the sake of this tutorial. Once done, give it a title and a description and continue. You'll be directed to add either WordPress.org plugins or custom ones. We're getting it from the WordPress repository for the sake of this tutorial, but you are free to add custom ones if you desire. To add new plugins, hit the plus icon and then search for your desired plugin, then add them to your collection. Once done, copy the token or key at the top right side of your WP Core dashboard. And let's go back to our WordPress dashboard to use the new collection on our site. To add a new collection, click on Add a Collection Key and put in your key. Now hit Save Collections. And see, it's magic. It should now show the plugins that you have set up on the WPCore.com account. And as a bonus, I am sharing with you my pre-made collections. Just copy and paste my WP Core collections key from the description down below and import it into your site. Once done, you'll see your new collections are ready to go. And all that's left is to install them on your WordPress site. Let's do that by hitting the Install Plugins button here. Next, choose your desired plugins to be installed as if you're installing plugins as usual in your plugin section in your WordPress dashboard. You can choose to install one at a time or simply use the bulk feature here, and the WP Core plugin will install all your chosen plugins and then activate them as per your command. Now let's check on our plugins section and see if it's installed our collection of plugins. So as you can see here, it did. And there you have it, your WordPress site is now a plugin playground thanks to the WP Core plugin. If this tutorial made your life a bit easier, give it a thumbs up, share it with a WordPress buddy out there, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful WordPress related tips. For solid hosting and a smooth WordPress experience, check out RackNerd.com. We've got hosting solutions that play nicely with WordPress. And thanks for hanging out today, and until our next WordPress adventure, catch you next time. Cheers.